Know that just thinking about yawning can make you yawn? In fact, I bet some of you are fighting the urge right now. Yawning is one of the most contagious behaviors we have. It's so powerful that even reading about it or seeing someone else do it can trigger our own yawn reflex. But why? Scientists think it might be linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brains mirror that action, creating a shared experience. So next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, remember, you're not just tired, you're participating in a fascinating social phenomenon. And if you yawn during this video, well, you've just proved the point.